Here are the birds. Blizzard's thinking about taking a bath. I'm in Ella's room. Whoa! Whoa! Not for YouTube. Here. Yeah. Blizzard likes baths. Put this over here. Oh. Tweet. Here is the one and only Sprite. I don't know if there's other parakeets named Sprite, but yeah. They're on Sprite's cage right now. I haven't done a bird video in a while. Hey! Don't fight while I'm recording. I remember when I first got Sprite, the first time I let him out, the first thing he did was exactly this. And I got scared because he had his beak right there. And I thought he was stuck, but now he does it like on a daily basis. Boop. 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 Sprite's still back there. Did he just fall asleep? Try the boop. 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 Blizzard does this really funny thing where he goes onto the lamp, then he dives down. Come on. Sprite hates when Blizzard's with his mirror. He thinks there's another bird. And him and his mirror like dating. Whoa! Whoa! I can't get a shot of Blizzard. Oh, of Sprite's mirror on my back. Hi. Here. 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 Come here. See if it'll fly at me from here. There he is. Can't get a shot of him. What is he doing? Alright, so that concludes today's video. And if you did enjoy it, then please, maybe like it, and maybe even subscribe if you want. And that's all. Goodbye.